Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. And as you can see, we're not in the bathroom. Today I just want to tell you guys about a great product that I've been using called Tubebuddy. Now you guys remember I released a video last week sometimes telling you about how hard it is to break out on YouTube, and I mentioned Tubebuddy. But the question is, do Tubebuddy really work? Or should I say, does Tubebuddy really work? And for me, it have, guys. I just want to give you guys a little example of where I started and where I'm at with Tubebuddy right now. I want to show you guys when I first started using Tubebuddy about 4 or 5 months ago. I was right here at about 1,200 and let me see, 37 subscribers. So that's where I was when I first started using Tubebuddy. Now I want to go ahead and show you guys exactly where I'm at right now. And you go to my page, you can see I'm at 1,480 subscribers. But that's not the only thing with Tubebuddy that I want to point out to you guys, is that if you look, you can see my thumbnails. I've been playing around with them, and I want to go all the way down, guys, to when I first started using it. Now here are my thumbnails right here. Around the time when I first started dabbling with Tubebuddy, you know, really not much. A couple of texts, but I really started focusing on my thumbnails around here. Tubebuddy, they have different YouTubers that go live, or different YouTubers that also make videos and upload them, showing you how to use Tubebuddy, how to get the best out of Tubebuddy, and how to better your channel. So not only does Tubebuddy help me with keyword finding, I'm gonna get into that a little bit better, but it allows me to play around with my thumbnails, because it does generate thumbnails. And again, you can see my subscriber count, you know, doubled since the time I started using it, and before then I was stagnant. So let me just jump right over to my Tubebuddy. You want to go to tubebuddy.com. Now I'm in my account right now, and they have 3 different levels, guys. I just want to show you guys I have the star package. I want to show you guys some of the things that I have. So right off the back, you can see that I have it integrated with my Twitter and my YouTube, meaning anytime I upload something, it automatically can go to my Twitter and my YouTube. I have those options. Now another thing that I love about Tubebuddy is the royalty free access to music. Now Audio Hero, man, I live and die by this. I absolutely have to have this, especially since YouTube changed their algorithm. They're really starting to flag a lot of small channels. Well, not just small channels, some big channels, but the small channels are taking the brunt of it. Flag us for like advertising, what's the phrase, not advertising friendly or copyright material. They've really been cracking down on that. So Audio Heroes have been a godsend for me to go in there and find some great tracks to drop in my videos, guys. And music really does make your videos. So I love the perks right there. I just signed up for the affiliate program, and I'm gonna put my affiliate link. I signed up for this last night. I'm gonna put my affiliate link in the description of this video, so if you guys want to help the channel out, you can go ahead and click on my affiliate link. Now another thing that Tubebuddy allows me to do is to do keyword tracking. So let's say I want to add a keyword, and let's say I've been working on live streaming. I did a video on the live shell X, and that's one of my keywords, so I can go ahead and say that keyword. I can go ahead and add another keyword. Let me see. I also did the live wedge, and what else I want to add? And I'm going to put cerebral. I believe that's how you spell it. And we'll go ahead and do it like that, and let me check. The spelling of cerebral is wrong. Let me put that in correct, guys. I'm sorry about that. It's C-E-R-E-V-O, cerebral, and that's the company that makes the live shell and the live wedge. I could go right here and I could just go to ranking. I could generate it, and they tell me if I'm ranking currently for any of those keywords. Now obviously I have more keywords than that in the videos, but it gives you some results. You can see the live shell X, I'm ranking 8, and behind the scenes, all right, I'm ranking 8 with the live shell X right there in YouTube. So And the top result for Cerebro, I'm ranked 37, and you can see I'm not ranking at all for the live wedge. So it's absolutely great, guys. You have your dashboard, or you can go ahead and you can really drive down into your analytics. You can monitor, optimize best practice checklist. Again, I mainly use the generation of thumbnails and keyword ranking, but like I said, you really can drive down. You can do like A/B comparison depending on what you have. Like I said, I have the star package, but if you want to create the A/B comparison, I believe you need the legend package. See, and I don't have that license, but you go right there, you can see you have the pro, you have the star, and you have the legend. But all in all, man, it really does help you, because it drives down farther than the regular analytics of Google and YouTube. It allows me to really interact with my material, really promote my material. You see right here, you can promote your material, let me, set up banners and everything else. It gives you more control of your channel. And let me just go ahead and jump into this, and I want to show you guys something. All right, so let's say I want to go to this video right here, and this is dealing with the live wedge, or what it is, yeah, the live wedge. So this is a video that I did. So let's say if I'm looking at this and I want to edit this video, I go ahead and I click edit, and you can see at the top right here, it disappeared, but you can see at the top right here my Tubebuddy. Let me know that I'm signing the Tubebuddy, and it shows me the keywords that I'm ranking for. Right, it shows me the keywords that I'm ranking for, give me the best practices. But let's say I wanted to do more research, and I want to do something that they call tag exploring. See, it tells me that it searched well, and the competition that I have, and it gives me a percentage. Let's say I want to go and add another tag. Let's say I just want to add, let's use this, Facebook Live, and it's going to tell me whether or not I should use this. So right now it's telling me that this is a very bad tag to put in my video description, because it's search high and the competition is high, and it also gives you the top people that have those keywords. So it lets you know that the channel that you up against also. I absolutely love, man, Tubebuddy. And like I said, I've been using it for a couple of months, and like I showed you guys, my subscribers has doubled, and not just from the keywords, guys. It's not a magic bullet, not just because of the keywords and the thumbnails, but also what the whole platform Tubebuddy offer. Like I said, if you Google Tubebuddy, or you search Tubebuddy in YouTube, you will find a lot of helpful tips and hints. All right, you go right here to this channel right here, and what Nick does, Nick goes live a lot of times, and he do a lot of promotion for Tubebuddy. But like I said, you'll gain a whole bunch of knowledge with his live shows as he promotes Tubebuddy, and he also promote his channel. But he do something what he call page reviews, where he go ahead and he review your page, he review your channel and give you tips and hints and everything. But Tubebuddy, like I said, has been helping me out a lot, guys. I mean, I literally swear by it at this point in time, because I seen that growth. So do it work? Yes, it does work. It's just one tool. You still have to be active in the community. Like I said in my last video, you have to be active in the community. I've been on YouTube for 9 years, 9+ years. I abandoned the channel, and I started this channel 2 years ago, and I was frustrated. I was doing things the wrong way. So for the past year, I've really been focusing on how to grow, and I'm learning that you have to be active in your community, and you have to pay attention to your analytics. The great thing about me when I met with this channel is that I'm just playing around with things. Like, I'm seeing what thumbnails work, I'm seeing what keywords work, and I'm loving the interaction with other YouTubers and interacting with my subscribers. Every question that somebody asks, go ahead and answer that question, man. And I always, I try to drive down to them and be like, look, what do you want for the channel? Have I answered this question correctly? I like to give hearts and thumbs up to everybody that asks a question, so they can know that I'm really caring about them. And I start to play around with the live feature. And if I'm live, even though I have a small channel, if I'm live and somebody pop up in the comments, I'm gonna shout them out, man. Make them feel like, hey, you my #1 subscriber, and you show your community love, your community will show you love, guys. So yeah, does Tubebuddy work? Yes, it really do work, guys. As you seen, my subscribers double in that amount of time. Before Tubebuddy, I just was stagnant, did not know what to do, how to get my subscription count up. But as you see, my channel is growing. So guys, go ahead, make sure you check out that affiliate link. That's the way you can help the channel out. Look into Tubebuddy. That's also a free version. You go ahead and try it out for free. Now you want to have access to a lot of the features that I showed, but go ahead and try it out, guys. Use the affiliate link. It's your boy taking the bathroom, just dropping some knowledge on you guys. Hopefully we're gonna have some great reviews coming up. I'm feeling like RC, guys, either a drone or RC this week. Stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Peace. Remember, the bathroom is the only place when you can play with your gadgets in peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.